It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So as you've seen, this is Beauty Forever's Piano Ombre Blondes pre-highlighted unit. This is their Brazilian straight hair. This is 14 inches, excuse me. This is 14 inches long, and yeah, so a very natural length. It's a very natural length. This is an easy unit because all the highlighting, all the pre-plucking is already done. They do say that this is pre-plucked. Yeah, so I'm liking this unit. I am really a black girl when it comes to hair in general. I just wear black, but I don't think I mind stepping out of my comfort zone. These companies make me step out of my comfort zone. Yeah, so this is definitely not me, so to speak, but I think I can like it. You know, so yeah, this is a very easy unit. Just put on and go. As you've seen, this is straight out of the box. As you saw, I didn't do any plucking, no bleaching, no anything. I just really just put it on. It's bone straight, literally bone straight, and it flat irons very easy. As you saw, like out of the box, it did have a couple dents in it just from packaging. So as you saw, it did flat iron out really well. This hair is very, very soft. It's very soft. I'm really liking this. It's just easy. Very, very easy. It's glueless. As you saw, I don't do any glue. All I did was just put on my baby hairs and it's on here. I did use the Got To Be glue, as you also saw in the clip too. So yes, y'all, if you're liking this, links will be down below in the description box. Thank you, Beauty Forever, for sponsoring today's video, and I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Bye.